Hello everyone, my name is Intikhab and I am from High Tech College Ghaziabad. In this video, I will be analyzing and designing a 23-story tall building using ETAP software. As you can see, this building has varying geometry form and the material and section properties to be used are shown here. So let's start. After putting grid dimension and story dimension, we got this multi-story structure. Now I will go to define menu and will define material property and will define the sectional properties of different frame section and slab section. After defining the property, I will go to draw menu and choose quick draw beam column option and will change property to auto select column and then draw the columns. Before draw columns, I have selected similar story option. Now I will draw beams and slabs by selecting shortcuts given at left toolbar. Then move to upper story and will do the same considering varying geometry form. Change to all story option and then go to story 2 and select all shells. Go to assign shell loads and impose a uniform dead load of 2 kN per meter square. As we can see, load has been applied to all stories. Now change to similar story option. Now selecting slabs and I will assign a UDL of 5 kN per meter square for story 1 to 8. Then move to upper story and for story 9 to 14 applying a UDL of 4.5 kN per meter square. Then for upper story of 5 to 19 we'll apply a UDL of 4 kN per meter square. Then for upper story 20 to 23 UDL of 3.5 kN per meter square. Now moving to bottom story and we'll apply a cladding load by selecting exterior beams and assigning a uniformly distributed frame load of 0.2 kN per meter square. And similarly for other stories. We'll remove cladding loads from topmost story by changing from similar story to one story and selecting a exterior beam and delete a existing distributed load. Go to base and assign fixed restraints and then draw cladding by selecting use floors option. Now I will define wind load as per IS 875-1987 part 3 and by putting values of VB, terrain category, structure class etc. considering parameters in Bangalore. Now go to elevation view, select A view and select all cladding shells to assign wind pressure coefficient. Now go to elevation view and assign wind pressure coefficient at B. Similarly applying wind pressure coefficient at other views. Now run analysis by pressing F5. Here we can see the deformed view. Go to complete design and start design check by pressing Shift plus F6. After completion of designing, a notification will pop up saying analysis and design section differ from some concrete frames. Do you want to reiterate analysis and design? Which means that software uses the smallest concrete frame from auto select list. So you can say yes to reiterate. After completion, you can see longitudinal reinforcement Then you can go to reports and see the project report. In the end, I want to thank Skyfi Labs for providing this course and made learning easy.